guys, this is Karthik from Gadgets Freeze. Today we are going to unbox Realme 1. It's our OPPO's new sub-brand. So it's a 6-inch device. So I got a black color one. It's a diamond black, and it's a 3GB RAM and 2GB internal memory. It's a dual SIM, and it comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot. So it comes with a 13MP rear camera and 8MP selfie camera. Okay, let's unbox it. So OPPO provided a case for the phone, silicon case. Okay, and regular leaflets. So brand shows us OPPO and Realme. Okay, so nothing else. This is the phone. Okay, let's give it. So we have a wall charger and cable. So it's 5 amps and 5 watts and 2 amps charger. So it's a normal USB cable. Okay, let's keep aside. So here's the phone itself. So it shows a diamond black, and it's a single rear camera with single LED flash. On the front, it's a selfie camera and sensors. So the smartphone comes with a pre-applied screen protector. Okay, it switches on. On the right side, we have a dual SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot, a power button. On the top, we do not have anything. On the left side, volume button. On the bottom, it comes with a speaker grill and type charger port and 3.5mm audio jack and a primary microphone. On the back side, it comes with a 13MP rear camera and soft LED flash. And on the front, it comes with an 8MP selfie camera and sensors. I have configured the devices. So let's go to settings. So let's go to about phone. So Realme 1, it comes with the color OS 5.0 and the Android version 8.1, and it comes with an MediaTek Helio P60 processor. It comes with a dedicated AI chip. 3GB RAM, and I have installed some apps. So now out of 32GB, 18GB is available, and comes with an Android security patch level as March 5. So we can see that OPPO has customized software. It's a lock screen magazine which is similar to EMUI. So you can change the wallpaper when each and every time when you lock the button and unlock it, like so you can see here. So it is customizable, and you can configure your photos like that, and we can set the passcode. So you can check the passcode, and here only you can check the Face ID as well as passcode security and the pin codes. We do not have any fingerprint sensors. Configure some themes, and we have an inbuilt screen recorder. We have some default apps like Amazon and Google apps are installed by default. So let's go to camera. So we can decide what is the thing, how the camera photo we should take it. Square, standard, whatever we like. So and there we can set the times. Video is on, so you can just keep the video on now. And in-depth field, depth recognition, and you can set up the HDR modes. So we can take some time-lapse videos, photos, sticker, and final mode and export mode. But it's nothing but a manual mode. So we can decide whatever we can take. Okay guys, that's all for the video. So we'll be back for the full review of the device. Thank you for watching.